Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are gonna be learning how to download and install Genshin Impact on your Android device. First of all, open your Google Play Store on your Android device to get started. Now go to the search box at the top and type in Genshin Impact and search. Look for the application from the search result and open up this application from Cognosphere Pte Limited. Now tap on the install button to begin the download process and wait for it to get done. After waiting for a couple of minutes, the application should be downloaded on your device and you will be ready to play. Once the game is downloaded, tap on play and start playing the game. And there you have it. That is how you will be able to download the Genshin Impact app on your Android device. Now you can go ahead and log in using your email or username followed by a password if you already have an account. If you don't, you can register for a new account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.